How to solder wire sculptures. This method is not meant for electronics, plumbing, or other repairs, but is a useful technique to making mobiles, cubes, and other shapes of wire. Steps. 1. Clean off your work area. Make sure there are no flammable materials in the path of the torch's flame. Remember that the heat of the flame reaches out much farther than the glowing area. 2. Screw the torch head onto the propane tank. Make sure it is tightly screwed on. 3. Cut the wire and bend it with the needle, nose pliers. Most needle, nose pliers have a wire cutter built in. Make it into the shape you need. 4. Choose 2 points, which will be soldered together. 5. Twist the wire ends of the 2 points to be soldered together into a J shape. Hook the J shapes together and close them with the pliers. 6. Coat the connection with flux. 7. Break off a piece of solder. Bend it into a V shape and stick it onto the flux. 8. Attach the project to a vise if you have one, otherwise hold it up with the pliers. 9. Twist open the knob on the torch head, and flick the striker next to the opening to light it. 10. Adjust the flame, carefully using the knob. 11. Carefully hold the project in the pliers with one hand, and the torch in the other. 12. Hold the torch flame to solder flux. Wait until the solder has melted and filled the space, then move the flame away and blow on the solder to cool it. Dip the entire project in water if it is still hot. 13. The point should be joined successfully with solder. Warnings. Solder contains lead, and lead fumes can be dangerous if inhaled. Please use proper ventilation. This method shouldn't be used for connections meant to bear weight or for professional purposes. Propane torches are obviously very dangerous, and there is a risk of fire. Please keep your work area clean and put away all supplies properly. Flux can be dangerous. Read all labels for information. Things. Solder. Propane. Torch head. Flux. Wire cutter's needle, nose pliers. Wire. Striker.